Hi FB friends, gumawa ako ng video para lang magpasalamat at para marinig nyo rin yung message ko para sa inyo lahat. Ang hirap kasi isa-isahin. Yeah, actually, I was really surprised na ang daming nag-post sa wall ko sa FB just to greet me. Alright, just simple message is really important to me. Sa mga tumawag non-stop na nag-greet for me, sa mga nag-text sa akin. Actually, nag-start yun ng midnight, so may mga friends din ako na nag-antay talaga ng job midnight just to greet me. And yeah, actually nabasa ko yun when I woke up in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. And another message from my student, Lako. Thank you for coming on my birthday celebration last Saturday, June 8th. Actually, I did not plan for that, but yeah, it is just because with my friends. So, and another thing is you're gonna go back to Korea, so I'd like to meet you. It was a really nice jam with you, okay, with the fortune band. Okay, and another thing is my family. Maraming salamat. Love na love po kayong lahat. Okay. And, Mang Chico. Alright. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan. Napakabait na may-ari ng studio kung saan kami nag-rehearsal. And then, also, salamat din kay Kapitan Luffy. Alright. Na nasa picture. Alright. So, isa rin siya sa tumulong na celebrate ng birthday ko. Okay. And then sa mga tropa dyan sa Jacinto, you're always there for me. Sa nagluto ng handa ko kay Ted and Mike. Right? Yung mga best friends. Okay. And kay Randy para sa venue. Okay. So, ang dami talaga dumating na hindi ko talaga ni-expect na bibisita. Pupunta talaga sila sa birthday ko. Alright. So, parang feel ko na mas maganda talaga na hindi mo pinaplano dahil pag pinano mo, parang ma-postpone siya, mag-delay talaga siya. But anyway, hanggang ngayon, may mga bumabati pa rin, may nagpo-post, and then they just said, sorry, late ang message ko to greet you. No. It wasn't really important na kahit late yung pag-greet niyo sa akin. It's okay. Alright. It's not a big problem. So, I love you guys. Alright. I really feel very, very happy until now. Feel ko na birthday ko pa rin. Na until this time actually, one just texted me and want to meet me. Alright. Greeted me a happy birthday. Alright. So, thank you very much. And, anyway, sa mga friends ko na nagre-request to make a video na kumakanta ako without the musical instruments, gagawa ko niyan later, if I have time. Okay. So, thank you again. Maraming salamat. Okay. Bye. Take care.